Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to store jackfruit for a long time. First, choose a ripe, firm jackfruit that is free from any blemishes. Thoroughly wash the outside of the fruit. When cutting, wear gloves and oil your knife and hands to prevent the sticky latex from adhering. Carefully remove the tough skin, the central core, and all seeds. Separate the sweet, edible yellow pods from the fibrous, stringy rags. Freezing is an excellent method for long-term storage. First, blanch your prepared jackfruit pods in boiling water for about 2 minutes. Immediately plunge them into an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Once cooled, pat the pods completely dry. Arrange them in a single layer on a baking sheet and freeze until solid. Finally, transfer the frozen pods to airtight freezer bags, removing as much air as possible for up to 12 months of freshness. Drying is another effective way to preserve jackfruit. Begin by slicing your prepared pods into uniform pieces, about 1/4 inch thick. Blanch these slices in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes, then cool them quickly. Arrange the blanched slices on dehydrator trays, ensuring they do not overlap. Dehydrate at approximately 140 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 12 hours, or until leathery. Store the dried jackfruit in airtight containers in a cool, dark place for several months. For shorter-term storage, fresh, cut jackfruit can be kept in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days. For a much longer shelf life, consider canning. Jackfruit can be canned in a light syrup or a savory brine. This method requires careful sterilization of jars and proper sealing to prevent spoilage. Always ensure the canned product is properly processed and sealed. Remember to always check for any signs of spoilage before consuming any stored jackfruit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.